Hello, have a blessed Sabbath day. Reading and sharing with you the daily prophetic word from Father's Heart Ministry. The Father says today, "You will see of the travail of your soul and be satisfied. As you have travailed, so you will bring forth. As you bring forth, you will be established. As you are established, so shall you advance and take territory and hold ground in my kingdom. I am a God of conquest and a God of war. The enemy ranged against you is falling into disarray, and the angelic hosts surrounding you are taking ranks to provide you an impenetrable wall of spiritual protection that will not be breached. Enter into the shelter of my wings," says the Father. Experience the overshadowing of my favor that holds you secure and takes you through the challenge. This is your day of victory, because this day I am sending you forth, both conquering and to conquer. Drink deeply of my peace this day, says the Father. Draw within yourself the joy of my spirit and the peace that passes understanding. My peace is taking you where your limited knowledge can never go. Let go of all analysis and questioning. Just roll over on your back on the river of life and let the current take you whithersoever it will. You can trust the eddies and currents of my spirit, for they lead you to a table spread before you in the midst of your enemies. You will eat and be full, with the enemy in full sight raging at his own impotence to take from you what I have so freely given. Come to the glory place in me this day, says the Father. Enter in by the strait gate on the path that I have illuminated. Make the hard decision. Cut off all other options. Press in and lay hold, for you will come to victory and triumph in me, even this day, says the Father. Thank you for listening, and be greatly blessed.